In this video, we'll see about how we can navigate to newly created record in a ScreenFlow. So the first thing is we have to create a new Lightning component. To create a new Lightning component, I'll just open my developer console. Here, click on File, click on New, click on Lightning component. I'll just name this Lightning component as Navigate to Record Detail page. Click on Submit. So the first thing what we need to do here is we need to implement this. So we need to embed this Lightning component into our flow. That's the reason we have implemented Lightning available for flow screens. So here I'm gonna create a new attribute. Name is record ID and the type is string. So we need to pass the created record ID to this Lightning component. So based on this record ID, we need to navigate to that particular record. So we have created an attribute record ID. Once the record is created in a ScreenFlow, that record ID is passed to this attribute. And here I'm going to create a new Aura handler, init handler. Action is equal to do init. The similar function I need to add it in the controller. And next thing what we need to do here is with the same name we need to create a design attribute. So using design attribute we can pass a attribute from a ScreenFlow to our Lightning component. So go back to your design file here in the bundle and just create a design attribute with the same name. Yes. So now on page load this function will be called as doInit, and here we have to navigate to that record detail page. So this is the code to navigate to the record detail page. We are just passing the record ID, created ID, which is coming from the flow, and it will automatically navigate to the record detail page. Now it's time to create a ScreenFlow. To create a ScreenFlow, go back to your Salesforce instance, click on settings icon, go to setup. Search for flows, click on flows, click on new flow, select ScreenFlow, click on next, select auto layout. And the first thing is I'm gonna add a screen element, which will, I'll just name this as create account screen. And here I'm gonna drag a text component to capture the account name. I'll just name this as account name and mark this as required and click on done. And here I'm gonna add a create records element to create a account record. Name this as create account. I just want to create only one record and use separate resource and literal values. And here we have to select the S object, that is nothing but account. And here we need to map our fields. So I'm gonna map account name with the account name coming from the screen component and just click on done. So here once the record is created successfully, we need to launch our Lightning component, and our Lightning component will navigate to that particular record detail page. For that I'll just add another screen element. I'll just name this as navigate to account record. And here I'll just scroll down. You can see these are the custom components, custom Lightning components, and this is the component which we created called as navigate to record detail. Just drag this into the screen and just give a name. I'll just give the same name, navigate to record detail page. And here you can see record ID. This is the attribute which we created in the Lightning component. So here we need to pass the account ID, the created account ID from the create account elements, and just click on done. Just save your flow, create a new account, click on save, activate your flow. Now what we're gonna do here is I'll just go back to my Salesforce instance, and on the home page I just want to embed my flow. For that I'll just click on the settings icon and click on edit page. Now I'll just drag a flow component to the right side, and here I'm gonna select my flow. I need to search for my flow, create a new account. So this is the flow which we created, and just click on save. Just click on back. Now here you can see this is the flow which we created. Now I'm gonna give some account name here and click on next. So once the new account is created, right, you can see you are automatically navigated to the detail page of that created account.